Alright, hi guys. So they want us to find the loop currents using mesh analysis for this particular circuit. So I'm going to be using something called KVL. Basically, KVL just says the sum of current rise, voltage drops and voltage rise across the circuit in a loop is equals to zero. I'm going to be presenting voltage as V equals to IR. This is basics law. Now you're going to define our mesh loops one, two, and three. So I1, I2, and I3. I love mesh analysis because it's very easy. Now you're just going to follow the circuit. That's all you need to do. So for mesh loop 1, the voltage here will drop across this resistor. So it's coming like this. The current is coming like this. So it's going to be plus 220. That's 2.2 kilo ohms. I just want to write it for I. What is I? I in this case is I1 plus the current comes to this point 9.9100 ohms. Now this particular resistor is caught in between two mesh loop currents, I2 and I1. Since we're in mesh loop 1, we'll say I1 minus I2. If we're in mesh loop 2, we'll say I2 minus I1. So it depends on where you are. And the current comes here. Me personally, I like to take the first sign I see. This is negative, so I write negative 18 volts. Some people like to take the sign they see after. I don't know for you, that is confusing to me. So you simply simplify this, you're going to get this I1 minus 100 I2 equals to 18. Now for mesh 2, you simply follow it again. In this case, you're going to be coming like this and going around, right, as you can see from the circuit symbol. And when you come like this, what's the first thing you see? You see actually positive 18 volts. So you have to be very cautious when you're working with the voltage. And now voltage will forever and forever. If current is going in this direction, voltage will drop in that direction. So voltage will be higher here than to drop across the resistor. Yes, in this case, here was plus, then here was minus because the current was coming this way. So it just depends. Plus 9,100 I2 minus I1 because it's cut in between two loops plus 7,500. That's this one. I2 plus this particular one is 6,800. What? This is cut in between two loops, so I2 minus I3 equals to 0. Simplify this, is going to be minus 9,100 I1 plus 23400 I2 minus 6,800 I3 equals to minus 18. This is our equation 2. Write it. And then for the last mesh, that's mesh 3, it's going to start with 6,800. In this case, it's going to be I3 minus I2. Then the current is coming like this, so current it will drop here, then it's come to this position, and this is what plus 3 volts, and then this will it will drop across plus 300. What is I in this case? I3 equals to 0. Simplify this, you get minus 6,800 I2 plus 10100 I3 equals to minus 3. I'm sure we can also solve simultaneous equations. When you solve it, you're going to get that I1 is equals to 1.21 milliamps, I2 is equals to 0 minus 0.48 milliamps, and I3 is equals to 0 minus 0.62 milliamps. So this is your final answer. Thank you for listening.